find out first what are the root causes of your lack of money for expansion. Tanungin mo yung sarili mo, bakit wala akong pera para mag-expand? First of all, letter A. Remember this. How are my sales? Kumusta naman yung benta ko? Na-maximize ko na ba itong mga benta na yun? Is there any way that I can sell more that I have not done? I have not implemented? Yan. Letter B. Am I selling at the right price? Yung presyo. Masyado bang mataas yung aking presyo or masyadong mababa? Compute your cost. I-compute nyo uli, no? Kasi yung costing natin, baka luma na, outdated na. You might be using the same old pricing nung mga ingredients ay ganito pa lang. Ngayon biglang nagsitaasan na. Labor costs already have gone up many times. Pero yung pa rin yung costing na ginagamit natin. Kaya tayo hindi kumikita. Check also the prices of your competitors. Sila ba ay ganun pa rin yung presyo nila or nagsitaasan na yung prices nila? Have they reduced the quality? Baka naman pareho yung presyo pero yung quality ng kanilang products nakapareho nung sa iyo. Or kaya yung volume ng kanilang products or services ay hamak na mas maliit na or mas konti na. Check them out. Look at your prices. Letter C. Tanungin niyo yung sarili niyo, no? Saan ba ako gumagastos? Where am I spending? Look at all your expenses and examine them. And find out, saan ba tayo pwedeng mag-cut costs? Are you spending too much on unnecessary things? Are there cheaper or better substitutes that you can use? Are you buying too many ingredients and supplies that nag-o-occupy lang siya ng space sa inyong store, sa inyong tindahan, or sa inyong warehouse na hindi naman tumatakbo? Or do you have too many employees who should be doing more but are not doing what they should do? Letter D. Ano ang inyong business model? Is it clear to you? Is it clear to your team? Is it clear to your customers? Sa bawat isa sa mga question na to, no, I want you to dig deep bago mangutang. Dig deep to find out what you could do to increase sales and lower your expenses. Whatever amount you can save, yun yung pwedeng gamitin to fuel your expansion na hindi na kailangang mangutang.